Good morning. We are here at Blizzard Beach. They have not yet opened the gates. Doesn't look too busy yet, but it is still only 20 after 9, and they don't open till 10. But they usually open and let us in the first section at like 9:30. It's gonna be a good day for the water park.
You did a lazy river. You did a floaty.
Yeah, I think so. So they're starting to let us in at 9:30. Yeah, this is gonna be. I don't look too bad yet. All right, we got through, no problems this morning. Everybody's passes worked correctly. There's the beach house souvenir shop. We did bring some pins to trade today.
On the way out?
Yeah. A lot of Water Lodge. I haven't been here in forever. It's been a while, huh?
Left or right?
Right, I think. All right, the big rush of everybody running in. So let's see, which way do we want to go? Want to go like right in this section? Okay. Let's look and see what's here.
There's a river.
Where? Over in there? Let's go over here. Either there or there. How about move it down here? Okay. All right, we got off the lazy river. We went around twice. It's about 25 minutes one way around. It's a big lazy river.
We are an hour in.
Yeah. So we are heading to get an iced coffee at Joffrey's. I think it's straight ahead over here. Is it?
Lazy River goes through there. It was on that side.
No, that wasn't that was just the donut place. This is separate. There's a Joffrey's mini donuts, and then there's a regular Joffrey's coffee shack, and the coffee shack is down near the sand.
Ooh, look at this.
There's some funnel cakes, cotton candy. Here's the Joffrey's right here. This is what I need. A Joffrey's this morning. What do they have?
A big thing.
No. All right, Jameson got his donut. How is that donut?
It's kind of
Melty? Yeah, it looks good though. We got a nice coffee. And now I don't know what we're gonna do. Walk around, maybe go up the chairlift for the raft ride, possibly.
To the race sleds.
Over on the other side. Jameson's next. He's gonna try the rope course, hopping over the iceberg.
Hey,
Jameson. There he goes. Go ahead. Just go. Go ahead. There you go. Step over to this one. Keep going. Oh no. Now you gotta get back over there. You're gonna have to swing over. Swing over. There you go. You got it. Good job.
got it. There you go. Go quick.
Go. You can do it. He's doing good. All right, we're trying the other rope course. This one goes to the island, and then from the island over. That's the one he did before. He almost made it. You're doing good. Almost there. There's the chairlift up there. Going up to the family raft ride. Good job! So Jameson is going up to the slides here in the kids section.
Pull your top down at the back.
There he is up there. These are just smaller slides that go right down into this little pool area. There he is. He's next.
Jameson and Erica are headed down the crazy, crazy steep slide. Here we go. Oh, Jameson got stuck.
All right, he's coming down at some point here. I think, there he is. He's coming next. Where is he? There he is. All right, we are almost up to the chairlift.
Probably really hot.
Yeah, probably. We are on and heading up.
Going back to home.
Here we go. Get a bird's eye view of everything up here.
So if you fall down, you'll get stung by bees.
Hold on tight.
Ah.
Nice view. Whoa, they fly down there.
Oh my gosh, you're so loose. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Whoa! I know, because I'm going backwards the whole way.
I can feel the book.
Whoa! This is a long one. Whoa! Hold on. Whoa, look at this one. Whoa! That's over a minute long. All right, that was a good ride, huh? Put the tube in. Go over and see the hidden Mickey. You see the hidden Mickey? There it is. And we ordered lunch ahead of time. It's going to be ready at 12:55 at Lotta Wada Lodge. Yeah, we can hop on the lazy river. Yep.
Oh no, it's too wonderful.
All right, we are now on the lazy river. And we are taking it until we get to the Lotta Wada Lodge to pick up our lunch order. Right in here this afternoon. Good job. We're in the caves right now. When we were on the lazy river this morning, there was hardly anybody on the river. The slides going up, or the rafts going up the slide, up to the ride that we just were on, at the top of the ski lift. I forget what they're called. What was?
Can I be
Sean, what was the raft ride called? What was the raft ride called? Steamboat Springs. Yeah. That's a good one. It's like over a minute long. Yeah, those are fun slides right there.
I think it's only 2 or 1.
I think there's a couple. There might be 3. I can't remember.
Oh, I see hidden Mickey.
You see a hidden Mickey? Oh yeah, right in the center. There's the hidden Mickey. Right there. Can you see it?
Oh,
Try not to bounce.
oh no.
It's right there.
There's a cold water ahead. Mom.
It gets stronger outside. They're just floating away down the lazy river.
That's the
Those are the other slides, yeah. You see a love bug? Oh, I'm spinning. Spinning. Woo! What are you doing?
At what point is the speed boost, Mom?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's a speed boost. So it's fly faster.
There. This is a fast section of the water. There he is up there. Here he comes. Good morning from Disney Springs. It is 9:45. Technically doesn't open until 10, but we are in. Parked in the orange garage. I wanted to park in Lime, but the Lime was closed. But we are heading to do a few things, look for a few things today. We want to go look at some art, want to go do some pin trading, kind of just shop around when it's quiet. Looks like it's going to be another nice hot day. So it's nice and quiet in here right now. Yeah, it's nice being here before crowds get here. And I guarantee it's going to be a busy day because it's Memorial Day. Father's Day is coming up. Grouping of people waiting to get into World of Disney before the doors open. We are heading this way. I actually also want to go in the co-op and see if there's any cool house stuff. So we are here at the pin trading section, and we are going to wait in line to go check out some pins. We need a few different ones.
Mom.
You think? We'll see. We need a few different ones from series. I'd like to see if they release any more of the 2025 mystery pins.
They better not fake it and make like 2020 pins.
Yeah, that's okay.
I got 2.
Let me see. So we're gonna get two of the Star Wars mystery boxes.
I haven't did munchling in a while.
Oh, you haven't done munching? We gotta get stuff that's gonna go with our sets that we're trying to finish though.
Mm-hmm.
Do you wanna do the ice cream set?
Sure.
Why don't we grab an ice cream set and see if we can finish that one up?
This one.
Okay. Got an ice cream set?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Second the charm.
Yep. So they have a pin board we're checking out.
Thank you.
Do you see any that you think you might like? Hello. There's another Duffy one. No.
Stop.
Nope, I think we're good. Thank you. Okay, so we are going to open some of our boxes. Sean got 2 boxes of the Star Wars. And Jameson's starting the new Toys in a Box series. So he's got 2 boxes of those. And then I got a bag of the ice creams because I only need 3 more to finish.
We call this pin pack time.
Pin pack time. All right, let Daddy open his first. What are we gonna?
$22.
Yeah, but
thing?
they are. But we got a
rip
discount too. Yeah, go ahead.
Holy crap! I gotta gas to get home today.
Well, it looks like we're gonna be surrounded here forever.
I think so.
Oh, dang.
All right, what is he getting? Any of these are gonna be good as long as they're not duplicates. What did he get?
You picked them.
Oh, that's a good one. I like Yoda. That's a good one.
Good one. Also, we didn't have that one before. So we never had this.
What else are we getting? How many are in the
2.
series?
I don't know how many are in series.
There's 8. So you need all 8 of them to finish.
This is another green one.
Is it another green one?
It could be. No, it's not.
It's yellow.
It's gonna be Luke.
Oh, that's a good one too. Let me see. Nice. So,
Thing on the back.
yeah, it's a little diamond that shows that they're authentic. All right, what are the other 2?
All right, let's see if you got duplicates.
Hopefully we got 4 different ones.
Or 3.
I don't know. Looks similar.
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. No, different. Ooh, I like an Ewok. Is that an Ewok?
They're different shades.
It's wicked.
This one's darker. This is like
That's
jungle
cute.
grass, and this is basically lime green.
All right, what's the last one? What do you want? Do you want who's on there? Darth, or is it Darth?
Chewie, Hans, Luke, the Emperor, then the Wookiee, Darth Vader, Stormtrooper, and
Okay, so who do you want?
Darth would be cool.
Let's see if you're with.
Oh, Stormtrooper. That's still a cool one. Nice.
See, I told you they were different.
All right, Jameson's turn.
These are being boxes, I guess.
Here, I'll put them in my bag. Okay, Jameson's opening up the new toy box pins.
Open this up for me.
All right, go ahead.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, Stitch!
Oh, that's a cool one.
That's a super cute one. I like Stitch. She's
We
cute.
got Mickey, Stitch, the Grasshopper, Cheshire Cat, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, that'd be a good one to get.
Ooh.
Hell.
Ah,
The cat. I don't know what the cat's name is, and then Figment.
let's see what one we get. Look at the Mickey one. It's not a duplicate.
There's your next box.
Ready? And...
Oh, you got him!
Oh,
Mr. Toad. I like Mr.
Go to
Toad.
hell.
Uh-oh. That's a good one, though. I like Mr. Toad.
And then your turn.
Yep, then my turn.
Let's just give it the lucky touch.
Yep. All right, what else do you got? Let's
wait.
have 2 different ones.
Other one?
Ah, Mr. Toad again,
yeah.
another duplicate. Here, give me the Mr. Toad. We got a trader.
And last one is...
Come on, be something different.
Be something different. That's not coming out. What is that? Let me just... Come out.
Oh, Winnie the Pooh! He's cute.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, we are heading into Art of Disney to see what they've got today. We need something pretty substantial. What do we want?
Cool. Hand carved, huh?
All right, well, Jameson ended up getting a little piece of artwork, huh, for your
There's a
room?
hidden button.
A hidden button?
I'm not telling you.
Okay, we'll have to look at it when we get back home. Where are we heading off to next? You want to go in the co-op?
We can go to the co-op and then we go to the big Disney store.
Okay.
Maybe we can either grab lunch or just eat at home.
Whatever. So we're thinking about one of those art pieces.
Yeah.
Do you want an actual...
Between him
Yeah.
and the Larry Dodson, who we've collected more of, because he's pencil. It's more muted. More muted. I feel like that thing.
I think a
light.
big one of the other might be extra expensive. This one was $5.75.
Big one of what?
The pencil drawings.
Well, they're not. Those are prints.
Yeah, they're not replicas, but
They're numbered prints.
yeah,
There's 360 of them.
yeah,
They're selling 360 of them.
right. So it's one of 360.
Right.
All right, we're heading into Trendy. Seeing what's in here. This is the clothes section. I want to go in the home section. Yet again, I'm taking of Sean's back. Come in. Oh, they got more pins in here. Hey, look at the pins on the back of the jacket.
Oh, wow.
Are those traders?
Gotta be.
I don't know. I doubt it. I think those are just for decoration. There's so many cute ideas. Look at this one. And this one over here, that one's cute too. Those are super cute. All right, so we are eating at Earl of Sandwich. Sean is getting his Old Faithful holiday turkey sandwich.
Yeah, holiday turkey.
I actually tried something new. I tried the tuna melt today, which I've never had.
Is that the big tuna?
Just the tuna melt. There's a tuna melt sandwich. And then Jameson got ham and cheese with mayonnaise.
Old Faithful.
Old Faithful.
I don't think we've ever. I know that I've never gotten anything different.
I feel like last time you got something different and didn't like it.
I had some of his ham and Swiss that I wasn't a fan of.
Oh. All right, there's the tuna melt. Jameson's got his ham and Swiss and holiday turkey. His
What is Monty sauce?
I don't know.
Monty sauce.
Oh, that was on his because he just got it plain.
Ooh, wow, look at that.
That always is delicious. Yum. All right, I'm curious how this one's gonna be.
Get it?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. It's hot.
The bread feels so much different.
Yeah.
It's early, so it's
Yeah, it's like fresh.
It's
Here's the
hot.
tuna melt. Oh, that looks really good too.
It's hot.
It's hot. Here, open it up and let it cool.
No.
Can you pull that side? And I'll pull this side? All right. His is really hot.
Make sure you get,
There you go.
Make sure you get a look at that face.
Look
They
at
did
that.
They did it right in the oven.
You gonna try it?
Why don't we try the molten lava sandwich?
Try a molten lava sandwich? All right.
We gotta let it cool down.
Let's eat.